Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people, and welcome to our virtual open home. This apartment is at 35 Jessie Street in Te Aro. It's on the corner pretty much of Jessie Street and Tory Street, right in the middle of town, and it's apartment 23 on level 7. So you've just seen the lovely view that we've got from the big balcony, and now we're walking through into the open plan living, dining, kitchen area. And you notice already we've got light on the other side and another window up here, so this place gets lots of natural light. A nice big area for living and dining, and a very smart kitchen. We've got the laundry behind here, and we've got gas hobs for those who like cooking with gas. We've got gas. And really nice and open and light and functionality. So the other thing I like about this area too is that we've got this really nice little slider. So that's good for heat retention and also for noise, because we've got the bedrooms on this side here, basically. So we come into a really small hallway, and we'll go into the main bathroom first. A very smart main bathroom, quite large and very well appointed. Quite a dinky little sink we've got there, tiled walls, good sized shower and lavatory, etc. Nicely appointed. And on the other side of the hallway we've got the bedroom, so it's a really good part of the floor plan. We'll go into the second bedroom. Now this is currently being used as a work from home format, so we've got the bed and quite a large workstation, so just goes to show you, I guess, how big this room is. We've got a wardrobe there as well, and excellent windows, pretty much floor to ceiling, so lots of natural light comes in. And now through to the main bedroom. Main bedroom is excellent. And the real feature of the main bedroom is it does have an ensuite here. We'll just whiz in here. So again, a nice slider and beautifully appointed. So I'll let you go and have a peeky-boo. As you can see, a very nice part of town in terms of being central, a very good central location. Okay, so let's talk about the reasons why you'd want to buy this lovely apartment. First and foremost, it's not little, it's 86 square metres, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a car park and a storage locker, and it's on the market at buyer inquiry over $715,000, so very, very good value for money. The RV, I think, is $734,000, which is hard to believe. You would think it'd probably be more, but that's the case. And so it's very good buying, very smart apartment, very central location, and a very good reason to be giving me a call. So do get a hold of me. I'd love to show you through and for a private appointment. We've got lots of information that we can send you. So we've got a full information pack as well. We'll email it off to you, and we can take the conversation from there. So I very much look forward to hearing from you and also showing you through this wonderful apartment at 23 by 35 Jessie Street in Te Aro. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed our video, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye for now.